I will speak about this video. What is Forex? How Forex works? What is technical analysis? And what is fundamental analysis? And also I will speak about some of the financial related to the Forex. So please subscribe my video, share my video, and also tell your friends. Then I will making more video, and I will make a series of video on Forex, finance, alternative investment, and money, personal finance, insurance, mortgage, and stock, share, derivative, options, and also cryptocurrency. So please subscribe button and share it, please, and like it, please. So let's come at what is foreign exchange or Forex. It's a big thing, It's bigger than even the stock share market and others. So Forex is a true currency. The foreign exchange, the one currency is called base currency, and another currency on there may be long or may be short. There is no other middle, So there is a long or short. Long means buy and short means sell. So there is no other. Only buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, So, or you can say bid and put, many different people. But all this summation is simple, is buy and sell. Now, how this works? The Forex market, it is a 24/7 market. Now you can say, what is 24/7 market? Means it started from the east and setting in the west, and again started like that. So the market started is from east, from Japan, Tokyo market, or Singapore market, or Hong Kong market, then coming in here in London market, or in what is called the European market, and then it go all through American New York market. So it is clear that it started from this opening from the Tokyo market, Hong Kong market, Singapore market, and slowly all through New York market. This is one. And secondly, about some of the currency is we call core currency, like pound, dollar, euro, and also Japanese yen, and also Swiss franc. So it's about 5 currency or 6 currency is basic currency like the pound, dollar, euro, Japanese yen, and Swiss franc. But the most selling is dollar, pound, and euro. And these 5 currencies, the volume is huge and volatile is not that huge. There is a very slow changing. Another currency we call this, you can say, exotic currency. The exotic currency we call it because is so much fluctuated in a volatile or situation that it can be very up and very low, very up, very low, very slow, and this situation is like a tropical currency, like the Indian rupee or the Malaysian, I think, or Turkish lira, or something, this type of currency we call exotic currency. Now, how about the trader? Trader is different, Some traders, they living on day trading. We call them day trading. Day trading is that trading. They live on day trading. Suppose the morning they started a trade, and end of the year session they just close the accounts, and the next day again like this. So suppose a London dealer or trader morning start at 8 a.m. and then he will finish maybe 6, 7, 8 o'clock on that evening before the 12 o'clock or something. And that is called day trader, or sometimes we call swing trader. And it is some people, they live in there in this trade, and some people say that this is a very risky business and this is a very, very expertise, and there is a chance about to lose money because they are more trying to finish before the day, and that is we call day trade. Another kind of trader we call them long trader of they are quite a few months or few weeks, or even they are waiting for a year that they think that is their the bid or the trade will be benefit for them. So they are waiting for weeks, days, weeks, and months. And this type of trader, sometimes we call them a longer trend follower. So they think that is their trade will go in their favor. So some may be in a long on a buy and waiting that they think that is this buying fair of the currency will be one day they will get benefit, and they are waiting for all through this. And some people, they think that this pair will be down, so they put it this short or sale, and they are waiting month and month and month, and they think that this would be one day, it will be going more down and down in their favor. Now you let us come that suppose somebody open an account with a dealer. Who are dealer? Dealer, they are doing matching with these buyers or sellers. So they have their the platform, and some platform is MT4 MT5, and some also their own, and some called ECN that they directly exchange this bid doing. So this kind of dealer, they benefit or they gain money between this spread. There is a spread, the buying price and selling price, buying a price and selling price, there is a two different price, and in that gap they get this money. So these trader, they are, some are in different countries and different cities, and they are regulated by that country's law, financial law. Suppose in UK, this is regulated by the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. So this is the important that these people within the law or within the regulated. And some are even in offshore countries like Cyprus or the Jersey or some other countries. And they have their own countries, the Cyprus, maybe financial authority regulated and these things, and some other these regulated in other countries like Australian regulated or American regulated or Canadian regulated or Singaporean regulated. So this is the things about these things. Now, to open an account as an individual, some of the things has to probe about the ID and to probe about the residence ID and to probe the financial stability that this person is that much able their risk or something. One thing I will tell you, my friend, whatever I am talking here, it is all for academic purpose and all for just for a YouTube making video. There is no financial risk or no loss I am involved. This is my disclaimer. This whole talking I am is all about the academic purpose or my this video making as a YouTube academic education video I'm making. So you just understand that this is my disclaimer that this video is not liable for any loss or risk or any type of business advice. It's all about or any type of financial advice is all about academic or just an example what I am talking about in this video. Secondly, when you apply to a broker company, normally in UK, like the big brokers company like IG Index or City Index or CMC or Active Trade or what is called FXCMA. And before I was also one of the account with me, Alpha is closed in London. And many, I think in London itself is about 500-600 brokers companies in London and other cities in UK. And then also some other brokers like Cyprus or in Singapore or in Zurich or other countries. So one can apply and then providing that brokers whatever their documents and then they open an account and then they provide some of the educational video. You can get it from the YouTube or from your broker, and that YouTube you can watch or that academic this you can learn. This is the way, and then you can trade in MT4 or MT5 and also some their personalized the platform. And even nowadays this many platforms it can be open in mobile and can trade on the mobile and you can see the chart and you can see all this price information and all those things, and you can do business, open a business or do a trade online with this platform. Normally, I use the platform is MT5. MT5 is more expert, but MT4 is okay also. And also, one can learn from the what you can say this all the brokers their own platform. Now, about the learning, this is the most important, that the many college, institute, online, and many universities providing the education on finance and other, but not specifically that how you can do trading in Forex. But there are two, three, few most famous professional institute who are providing the education, professional qualifications, and how all those technical analysis thing and how this all fundamental things. I will speak a little bit about this qualification or certificates or training. The most technical analysis qualification in the world is institute in America called CMT, Chartered Marketing Technician, CMT. And CMT providing the professional qualification, 3 stages of the exam. And after that, they provide this certificate, and the title is called CMT. And this is very much professional in the world. So, if anybody want to do a professional qualification, then you learn from that institute. And also in UK, one of the best the technical analysis is the society called STA, Society of Technical Analysis in London. They also provide a wonderful academic professional qualification STA, and that is also a 2 stage exam and rigorous of the syllabus. And if you want, you can contact with the STA. And also there is the IFTA, I think, International Financial Technical Analysis, and also in India, also one of the best professional qualification about these things. But as for international qualification, this CMT and STA and IFTA is like a gold passport. Now I am coming to the fundamental of the qualification, professional qualification providing for this finance. Of course, many universities as a professional finance masters in finance and MBA specialist in finance universities is providing, and they are very rigorous syllabus and to learn how this financial world is working. But I will mention a few professional qualifications who are the master and gold passport. Number one is the CFA. CFA is this world like a gold passport. It's called Chartered Financial Analyst. They are the masters, and they know what their syllabus is so hard and so tough and so practical that when somebody qualified CFA is a master of finance or a master of all economics things. So CFA is, I will advise, so you can contact and you can study. And secondly, there is another one is called Kaya. Kaya is CAIA, Chartered Alternative Investment Association. And that is also from America, but one of the master of professional qualifications. Then also in UK called CC. CC is Chartered Institute of Securities and Investment. This is the master of master, and someone has to learn these things and get this qualification education. So let me coming about the forex now. So this is the way someone, if you want to go in a professional learning, that's fine. But other way you can learn what is called error and learning, or error and mistake, or learn in a practical, you can do. Many of the brokers have account called demo account, and they give you a 50,000, 100,000 simulating computer simulations of money, and you can practice there how this the platform works. Or you can learn. I can suggest you at least hundreds of YouTube video nowadays. So many experts make these videos on the foreign exchange technical analysis, and you can learn. I saw many of the gurus, they're training on courses, or they do many 2 months, 3 months, 6 months courses. Now in that, I will not suggest that you do that kind of course until somebody, a very professional expertise in his or her own academic and professional qualification learning, is not like just somebody say that I will teach you and making you overnight millionaire, or you come back and I will make you and teach you within 1 month you be a billionaire, or you come in 1 month I will teach you and I will make you more money than Warren Buffett. This is not acceptable proposition. So I will advise you, would tell you, in that case, you be cautious, you be alert that how this someone make me 1 month and 3 months. Warren Buffett, the guy who has the icon in the world, 50 years he is doing this thing, and he is number 1 in the world, and he knows all this industry. And someone train me and make me 3 months profit more than Warren Buffett. It is a matter of thinking. It is a matter of really thinking that, oh, yes, someone training me within 1 month and making me Warren Buffett. This is not the right thing. I saw in the YouTube, I will not mention name, somebody traveling all over the world and jumping in the sea or jumping in the mountain and showing a Ferrari or a plane and saying, this is my plane and this is my Ferrari and I made 100 million 1 year. Oh man, if you made 100 million 1 year, then why are you teaching, taking the people's money from $5,000 to $10,000? If you deal done and you make a trade and you benefited 100 million, or you have a Ferrari and you have a house in Luxembourg and you have a house in Los Angeles and you have a house in Dubai and you have a house in London and you are a billionaire or a millionaire, then why are you coming and trying to training the people? So this is things I saw. Some people throwing money like this, and saying, I will not mention name. You can see the Kofijila, one of the YouTuber, very critics speaks about those things. He mentioned or he interviewed about those people. So it's about 20, 30 people, so celebrity about this showing money machine and saying that the did Forex that much money, or they will train you and they will make you a one-night millionaire. I even saw a boy of 16 years or I think 17 years in America, and he is saying that he make 1 million, 2 million in deals. That is also some of the interview by the Cofizella of the YouTube. He mentioned about this kind of, the YouTuber billionaire and YouTuber millionaire so-called claim. I will tell you, my friend, about the Forex. Before I said about, the disclaimer. Again, I am saying a disclaimer that you may know or you should know about 76% of the Forex trader, they lose the money. So a big number of the people, or you can say majority, or you can say maximum, 76 to 80% of the people losing money in the Forex. And that business, some people, they have no academic qualification, or they have no professional qualification, or they have not know the name of this MTA, Market Technician Association, or CMT, or KAYA, or CFA, or CC. They don't know not the name. They just say that is, I will make you, if you learn from me, I will make you 3 months more profit than Warren Buffett. You just imagine that the guy is claiming that 3 months training someone make more profit than Warren Buffett. So do you love him? And this is that thing. They are famous. They have 1 million, 2 million followers. And the guy is spending millions of pounds in advertisement. And so one day you can see he's in Brazil. Next day you can see him in Switzerland. Or next day you can see he's in Dubai. And he is making video. And the people, how I can say, really following, really following. Even some guy I saw, I don't again mention the name, you can see or video watch with the Cofizilla about a person. He has no even his own any consultancy, professional academic degree, but he is one of the top trying to say that he will teach you consultancy in high ticket selling and make you overnight millionaire. I saw in Cofizilla interview that many of his ex-students, they lose money, 10, 20,000 dollar or 30, 40,000 dollar to pay him, and they are look like a penniless. So anyway, my friend, my video is already 28 minutes 56 seconds. So I will request you again, in the very beginning I requested, now I request that please you subscribe. If you want to see my series, this financial talk, I will talk, big talk, how to make money and how to avoid all those famous, and especially I will openly and clearly mention what is this good and what is this bad and what is you can do and how to navigate a business and you can learn and you can earn yourself. So please subscribe and please share and please tell your friend that this guy is making video, and let's see how he tell or her the story of a financial world, all the jigsaw and financial world, all the nitty-gritty, all the sacred, and open the Pandora box, and we can learn and we can earn